Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Phone number is 352-694-1234. I'm taking just a minute here to showcase a new arrival. This is a new body style, but it's a 2010 Lexus RX450. Has a smoke-free cabin, Dove soft leather interior. It's a wood grain package. You can see it has both navigation and backup camera. Nice new body style. This Lexus gets about 30 miles to the gallon in town. Has a clean Carfax with lots of maintenance records. Was driven 11,000 miles a year. You can see that it has a 5-star crash test rating. And again, it has a clean Carfax. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. My phone number is 352-694-1234. Our website is prestigeforyou.com. And we have home delivery, work by appointments. I can do the paperwork over the internet. This is Chris at Prestige, 352-694-1234. This vehicle has a market price of around $18,995, and we've got it well under $15 this week. This is Chris at Prestige. Look forward to serving you, answering your questions. I'm available today. Thanks.